wife of noble character, who can find? She worth for more than rubies. Her husband has full confidence in her lacks nothing of value. She opened her arms to the poor and extend her hand to the needy. She is clothed with strange dignity, so can laugh at the day to come. She selects wool and flax and work with eager hand. She get up while it is still dark. She provides food for her family. She opened her arms to the poor and extend her hand to the needy. She is clothed with strange dignity, she can laugh at the day to come. She set about her work, her arms are strong for her tasks. She sees that her trading profitable, and her lamp does not go out at night. She opened her arms to the poor and extend her hand to the needy. She is clothed with strange dignity, she can laugh at the day to come. The character of the good mother, character of the good mother.